Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha. By the blessings and kataksham of Ma Goddess Durga, during this Sharat Navaratri 2020, Parayanam of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam Shlokas is being chanted for the Lokakshemam and the wellness and well-being of the whole universe. This is happening in front of Sakshat Sri Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Sannidhanams. All these Parayanams are dedicated to Sri Lalitambika and Sri Meghanatha Swami of her abode place Tirumichur, Kerala. As said earlier, these chantings could happen only with the grace of Goddess Ma Durga. There is one saying in Tamil, Avanthal Paniya Avanarul Vendum, which means to praise and to pray the Supreme Bhagwan, we need the grace and blessings and anugrahams of Bhagwan and Goddess. Today is day 3 of our Navaratri Puja. Today we worship Devi, Goddess Ma Chandraghanta. In this form, Durga is 10-armed and rides a tiger. Her forehead is bedecked with the crescent moon resembling the shape of Ganta. That is why Ma Chandraghanta. Let us hear some very interesting divine informations about Lalita Sahasranama Shlokas. We all heard that there are 3 types of actions performed by Bhagavan and Goddess. But actually there are 5 types of actions performed by Bhagavan and Goddess. Sri Sundara Swamigal of Kodaganallur in his Swanubhuti Rasayanam and in Sri Lalitambhuti Prakaraha, he says that the first 3 namas in the Lalita Sahasranamam indicates the 3 types of actions performed by Bhagavan. The 3 types of actions are creation, protection and destruction. Here, destruction doesn't mean that destroying. It means change of one form to another. That is, change of any matter from one form to another. So, he says the first 3 namas of Devi, Sri Mata, Sri Maharagni, Srimat Simhasaneshwari, these 3 indicates Srishti, Sthiti and Samhara of these actions. And it continues like this from the 4th nama till 999th nama. The action performed indicates is Tirobhava. Tirobhava is the Maya. So what is this Maya? Maya is something which is mandatory in this world, material world, and it is engulfed the whole entity, the whole living entity. This is called Tirobhava. So next he says, after crossing all these 999 namas, we reach the 1000th nama, that is Anugraha. This is the 5th action. So when we reach 1000th nama, we get the Anugraham, blessings, katakshams of Sri Devi Lalita Parameshwari. So here one interesting nama, there is a special nama for Devi in Lalita Sahasranama Parayana. One of the nama says Panchakritya Parayana. So Devi's name is Panchakritya Parayana. This is how these 5 actions, Panchakritya, Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Tirobhava and Anugraha. That is why Devi is called as Panchakritya Parayana. we may get a question that why to wait from 4th Nama till 999 to reach 1000th Nama Anugraham. Actually, whenever we want to reach the 1000th step or 100th step, we cannot reach the steps 100th step immediately or at a stretch. Every step by step we need to move forward to reach the higher elevation. Then only we will have a balance. So Devi explains this in the Parayanam. So when we want to get the Devi's Anugraham, that is the 1000th Nama Sri Lalitamba, we need to carefully cross the Tirobhava, that is the Maya, along with the journey. Then how we can carefully lead? Just because of the grace of Goddess, spiritual divine, Parayanam and Nama Sankirtanam, we can cross this Tirobhava and can reach the 1000th Nama, that is we can get the Anugraham from Devi Parameshwari, Lalita Parameshwari. When we observe the first Namas, 3 Namas of the Sahasranama, all these 3 Namas are beautifully matching with the 3 actions Srishti, Sthiti and Samharam. The first action is Srishti. We praise Goddess Ma Durga as Sri Mata, which is beautifully matching with the Srishti action. Ma Goddess is the Jagan Mata of this whole universe. The second Nama is Sri Maharagni, which means Queen of this whole world. More than the creation, to protect the created is the most important action. A king or a queen protects his kingdom. The same way, Goddess Ma Durga is the Maharagni or the queen of this entire world. So this Sri Maharagni Nama matches with the Sthiti, that is the protection action. The third Namavali is Srimad Simhasaneshwari. Srimad Simhasaneshwari means Goddess Devi seated in Simhasanam. Simhasaneshwari can also become Himsasaneshwari. Goddess Devi seated in Simhasanam can also take the action, kriya of destroying or destructing the evil force. So beautifully, Himsasaneshwari also matches with the kriya of Samhari or Samharam. Now, when we look at these first 3 Namas, Sri Mata, Sri Maharagni, Srimad Simhasaneshwari, these Namas indicates Srishti, Sthiti and Samharam, 3 actions. As said by Appaya Dikshidhar and Kodaganallur Sundara Swamigal, the 4th Nama till 999th Nama, all these indicate the Tirobhavam, desire or Maya. And when one passes all these Tirobhavam and comes out successfully of this Maya to the stage of neither desire nor hatred, one can reach the 5th Kriya action, that is Anugraham. So,
thousandth Tirunama, Lalitambika, is very much divine. After chanting all 999 namas, when we chant thousandth Tirunama, Lalitambika, we can able to feel the vibration of the divine bliss, that is Anugraham, blessings of Goddess Lalitambika.
The fourth manifestation of Goddess Durga is Ma Kushmanda. She is adored and worshipped on the fourth day of the Navaratri. She dwells in the abode of the sun god, and it is her splendor that pervades the entire universe and entire planet